So hi, in this video we will learn a little bit more about SEO. What is SEO? Some facts about SEO. Just like in this video we will learn about anatomy of the search engine, means SERP, search engine result page, and why being on the top of the page is important, means the result of search engine is important on the top. And last one is the role of SEO, means the SEO roles in ranking. Okay, next one we have anatomy of the search result page, means what the search engines works, or what the main work of search engines, like what the shows to us. Just like Google shows a website link in the search result, that's the main part of SEO. Maps for the location based searches, map shows searches on the location based. Product listing, Google shows products. Also image related to search. Reviews for Google business listing. How to from YouTube, the main source of SEO. Forums like Quora. Latest news related to SEO, news articles, Twitters, religion, answer based SEOs on your, like Quora, on your location, like which is best, which is not best. What is SEO? How SEO works? Just like I search here, what is GDRP? GDRP. General Data Protection Regulation. So that's search is given by Google to me on the basis of SEO related to that post. Just like Wikipedia on the top. After that, GDRP, some other websites. After that, GDNet.com. That all come on the basis of SEO. How the SEOs work. Just next we search, just like I search here, best shoes in market. So this shows me some shoes related products. That's the product page searches, just like Nike, Snap, CW, 5 Coco, Fila, Puma. That's all the brandeds that shows to me. Just like it's a product page searches we have. Just like best images. Images means image also search here. If you click on images here, at the searches of images, that's top shoes related images based on SEO searches here. After that, news based searches, just like news also here. That's all the part of searches here. News, shoes based news on the top. Next, the answer based searches, is like I search here best tourist place in India. So I search best tourist place in India. Then some answers given to me. Alert also shows here tourist place in India is like one of the best website I'm searching here. This Quora. Okay. So this gave me an answer for which is the best tourist spots in India. There's no place in India you must. Okay, please visit on Quora. And I see some answers, related questions and answers here, which is the top 20 tourist place in India. We will just visit before you die. Okay, that's a good question, and the answers related to that question is the bottom. Okay, that's the answer based website given to us. Next one, if we search on Google research on Google how to best cafe near me. Okay, best cafe near me. So that's some cafes location shows near me. F&B cafeteria, coffee day, Ashish Verma. Okay, that's if we search here how to make okay, I found. It also shows me some recipes related to cakes. Which you want, what you want to search on Google is totally based on SEO, search engine optimization, and that space which we search at the page we call total page we call from top to bottom is known as SERP, search engine result page, and that's the result top results designed by Google or ranked on Google as rated as all related to SEO, search engine result page or search engine optimization PK. Okay, total 10 results, but we all know that the top results, top 3 results is top most ranking, and most of the visitors visit on top 3 results, first, second and third. Okay, so we also know that that's also known as top indexing, Google indexing words here, searching words indexing here, and at the last we all know that they also call LSI, latent semantic index, top keywords, top searching results. Okay, we also know that SEO have 3 parts. SERP has 3 parts on the page, just like if we search here best digital marketing course in Delhi, just shows me 3 results here. Okay, so top one is ads, as we show here, is this known as paid ads. First result is paid ads. Second is Google business listing, Google map we say, Google map कहते हैं हमने. Then next one we have is SEO results, means totally free. That's paid results, business listing, and your SEO results. Okay, organic results we also said, means that's the result related only organic traffic or organic results without any paid results, paid to someone. That's also in a part of best map listing, Google business listing we have. Okay, so we have 3 results: paid, business listing, and organic results. So our SERP divided on search engine result page, first page of Google, is divided in 3 parts: ads, paid ads, business listing, and organic results. Okay, and the next one we have how many types of results there. So we all know on the first page of SERP we have 7 paid results. What? We have 7 for the first 7 paid results. Okay, the next one we have what? How many paid results? 3 upper and 4 4 upper and 3 bottom. That's the criteria. 4 upper and 3 bottom of the page. 4 upper of the page, 3 bottom of the page. That's the maximum results given by Google. Create results. After that, the business listing. Or we say Google Map. We say Google Map listing. Next one, organic results. Which is also free listing, free SEO results by SEO based on. Okay, so that's 3 parts. It's all defined by words. They all have a one page named SER, search engine results. Right. So next, what the next? Next one we have, if we search here, why being on the top of the page is important. Why being on the top of the page is important. Because 90% of users do not go beyond first page. Okay, means 90% of users do not go beyond the first page. Means 90% users only satisfied with the first page of Google. On the first page there are 10 results, but top 3 results get 60%. As we said earlier, only 3 results on the top of a CRP page is most important. Get 60% of the traffic. 60% ट्रैफिक आपके कंप्लीट पेज की फर्स्ट 3 रिजल्ट्स पे ही आती है. 32% यूजर क्लिक्स ऑन फर्स्ट रिजल्ट, 17% यूजर्स क्लिक ऑन सेकंड रिजल्ट, 11 users click on third result. Okay, remember, if you slip a few ranks on the first page, if you slip on the first few ranks on the first page of SCRP, if you go some bottom links, then your complete revenues, your money or your website traffic frequently instant drop coming from the Google search, which coming from the Google search. Okay, so that's most important, that you are on the top of the page of Google. So in first 3 results, that's all done by SEO. So what the next? Next we have role of an SEO. An SEO understands how to search engines work and how to get the brand's web properties on top of the search result. Understand? SEO helps us get organic free traffic. We all know SEO is only done for free traffic, free organic traffic to come on our website. That's many results, lead and sales. To generate leads and sales means to generate profit from leads and sales to generate some revenues. SEO achieve this by working through a variety of factors. Okay, understand? Means SEO have most other factors put on there. Next, we have some parts of SEO also, just like we discuss in next video also is on page SEO and off page SEO. That's the part of SEO, but we discuss all this in next video. So thanks a lot. Goodbye.